Hello friends, in this video we're going to see how to make almond milk at home. Almond milk is actually a great alternative to your regular milk or if you are lactose intolerant. These days almond milk is easily available in most of the supermarkets, but then the store-bought almond milk has loads of other ingredients apart from the almond milk in itself. Like for example, there's lots of water going into it, added nutrients and loads of sugar. But then when you make it at home, you're not going to add in all these extra ingredients. So I prefer making almond milk at home because it is packed with all the nutrients and it is super easy to make it, and with very few minimum ingredients. Almond milk is very less in terms of calories. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk has just 60 calories, whereas the same 1 cup of whole dairy milk has 146 calories. You can just imagine there is loads of difference in terms of the calories. So this milk, almond milk, is highly recommended for those who want to lose weight. So let's get going and see as to what are the ingredients required for us to make this power-packed drink. This is 1 cup of almond which I have soaked overnight. Preferably it is better to soak them overnight or at least for a minimum of 8 hours. I have taken plain raw almonds. These are not salted or they are not roasted. You can clearly see the difference between the two, the one which is soaked and the one which is not soaked. You can see that the one which is soaked has bulged considerably, has absorbed all the water, and it looks more fuller. So what you need to do is you need to drain out water which you use to soak the almonds. And then I have here 4 cups of water, plain water. Since we have taken 1 cup of almonds, you'll have to take 4 cups of water. So these are the main ingredients, just 2 ingredients. Almonds and water makes your almond milk. But in case you want to sweeten your almond milk, so what you need to do is you can go in for any natural sweetener like honey or dates. Just add in 2 dates while blending the almonds. That is sufficient. But then I generally don't prefer sweetening my almond milk. I use it as it is because anyways it's going to go into my smoothies, and smoothies will anyways be sweet. And then you would need a blender to blend the almonds, and then a soup strainer to strain all the almonds. And then once the almond milk is ready, it is supposed to be stored in a glass container preferably. So that is why I have a glass bottle over here. So I've drained all the water from the almond. So it's time to add our almonds into the blender. So this is how the almond milk would look. Nice, creamy and frothy. So now it's the time to strain it. In case you have a smaller blender like mine, and you're not able to blend all the 4 cups of water and almond in the same blender, you can add half the quantity and blend it, and then the remaining rest of the half. So here I have kept the muslin cloth to filter out, under which is the soup strainer and then the bowl into which our almond milk is going to go in. So let's start adding in the almond milk. Give it a gentle stir so that whatever almond milk is remaining here, even that would pass through the strainer. You can see that I'm left with all this after straining. I shall still further strain it, hold together this muslin cloth and give it a nice squeeze. And whatever almond milk is still left, that would come down nice and gently. So I've strained the milk completely, and this is what I've left out with. You may go ahead and discard this. And now is the time to transfer the milk into our glass container. I've transferred it onto this mug for my convenience. I'm going to pour it into the glass container now. So I've poured everything into this glass bottle. So almond milk's shelf life is generally 3 to 4 days when stored in a refrigerator. And every time you use almond milk, ensure that you shake the bottle well before you use it. Friends, I hope you all liked this video. In my next video, I shall show you where I use this almond milk. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.